Hey everybody, here we got a 2002 Volkswagen Beetle lock, and we're going to use the HU66 Lishi to pick it. And I've actually got a key for this one. I was actually lucky at the junkyard and actually randomly found a key sitting on the seat, or at least what's left of a flip key anyway. So we already know our bidding on it just from kind of eyeballing the key there. And one interesting thing about the key, or not really interesting, but something about it, is cuts start, from this side to that side. There's 8 of them. That's 6 and 7, which are actually going to be number 4 cuts, which the tool should set without having to actually pick. So we'll see here. We can go through it. Okay, so we're going to have odd numbers going down, even going up. Put some tension on it. Okay, click on 2, 4, and 8. Click on 1, 3, and 5, and we are open. And notice we didn't have to touch 6 or 7, and the reason for that is they are the deepest possible cut, and the tool sets it on its own without having to actually pick them. So knowing that actually helps a lot, being able to see the key. It's something that's you just develop a feel for, looking for those deep cuts with the tool when you're going through it, and you will develop a feel for it. But having the key can kind of cheat. So if we were to decode it here, we got 2, 3, 3, 2, 2, and that's of course going to be a 4, 7 is going to be a 4, and then 8 is going to be a 2. So the HU66 Lishi here, picking and decoding the Volkswagen lock, and once again knowing those 4 cuts are there made that a lot faster than it would have been had I not had a key. But like always, questions or comments, please put them in the comments. Like, subscribe, share, all that stuff. And until next time, I'll talk to everybody later.